What's that?
Into the crater.
Oh yeah.
It's where we were sitting at the very bottom, and then
Well, he went to
we were there one time, and Macy was like, "Oh, a whole bunch of those Dodge Rams and shit." They were
Oh,
taking
he's got
pictures.
videos of
Yeah,
that.
they were taking pictures and all that.
You mean the really cool TRX man?
Yeah, the really cool TRX.
Yes.
He's already going there.
Yeah, the amount of rocks I have right now and stuff in the back of my hair. When he was in the, everything was coming over, I was covered in dirt. Oh yeah. Just laughed. He laughed. He was like, ah. I was like, oh no. I could feel it in my scalp already, like rock.
It was just like a huge dirt plume, and it cycled all into the inside. It was
Finally
pretty
coming down
interesting.
because I had enough momentum to turn around, but it still wanted to just slide.
Slide. I know. I kept seeing you go, and I saw her going like this.
Like, I don't want
What, Maisie?
Thanks.
Did you like going backwards? My dog would take them to feed them off every time I put them on. Even as a puppy, he wouldn't keep them on. Like, okay.
I'm gonna get them for one B&B home, see what they do.
You gotta start with them as they're young to get them used to them.
Oh, one time we were here last year.
Looks like he's almost slipping.
Oh yeah.
They just got locked on the back brake and those. And
Yeah, you can't hit the front brakes on them.
You guys are going on next.
She's asking us to go to the computer.
It looks like it.
Both the trailers are in the front, right?
Golden retriever.
The labs have that shorter.
Bobby's a black lab. That's just like a black lab though. Mine is the droopy eyes. He gets to sleep and the black. He sits there and stares at me like, like he knows. Yeah. And I get a wet.
Oh, it's a quad. It's a what? Must have bumped the cable.
Me and a friend camped one time back here.
Oh man, it's gonna be a sucky spot to stop.
And we were the only people here. We only saw one other group, or not even group, two guys on the same quad I had.
Fucking
The hills. We saw this old guy and old lady. And they're riding doubles. We passed the highway coming in.